How to fix a Samsung Smart TV black screen. Number 1. Check for power issues. Ensure the TV is on. Confirm that the TV is powered on by pressing the power button on the remote or directly on the TV. Check power connections. Make sure the TV's power cable is securely plugged into the outlet and the TV. Try a different outlet. Test another power outlet to rule out an issue with the wall socket. Number 2. Perform a soft reset. Unplug the TV. Disconnect the power cord from the wall socket. Wait 30 seconds. Wait at least 30 seconds, then plug the TV back in. Press the power button on the remote to turn the TV back on. A soft reset can often resolve temporary glitches. Number 3. Check source and input settings. Verify input source. Press the source or input button on your remote and ensure the correct input, either HDMI 1 or 2, is selected. Reconnect devices. If you're using external devices like a set-top box or streaming device, ensure they're properly connected to the correct HDMI port and powered on. Inspect HDMI and external connections. Disconnect and reconnect HDMI cables. Unplug all HDMI cables, then reconnect them to ensure they are securely in place. Try a different HDMI port. Plug your device into another HDMI port on the TV to see if the issue persists. Use a different HDMI cable. A faulty HDMI cable can sometimes cause a black screen, so try another HDMI cable if available. Number 5. Adjust TV settings using the remote. If the screen is black but the sound is working, try adjusting settings blindly with the remote. Press the menu button. This may bring up the on-screen menu. If you can see the menu, adjust the picture settings under Settings, then Picture. Check backlight settings. If the backlight is too low, it can make the screen appear black. Increase the backlight setting if visible. Number 6. Perform a factory reset, if accessible. Open Settings, press the Home button on the remote, navigate to Settings, then select General. Choose Reset. In the General settings, select Reset. Enter your PIN, default is 0000, to confirm. This will restore the TV to its factory settings, which can fix persistent display issues. Test with a flashlight. With the TV turned on, shine a flashlight on the screen at an angle. If you can faintly see an image, this may indicate a backlight failure, which requires professional repair. Update firmware, if possible. Download the latest firmware update for your TV model from the Samsung support website onto a USB drive. Connect the USB drive to your TV and follow the on-screen instructions to update the firmware. Contact Samsung support. If none of these steps resolve the issue, there may be an internal hardware problem that requires repair. Contact Samsung support or a qualified technician for further assistance.